debate on the topic fuel conservation for a better tomorrow. Let's introduce ourselves. I am Grishma of class 10th A section.
Sure.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am E. Padmashri from class 10th A.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Manisha from 10th A section.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Madhushri from 10th class A section.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am M. Bhuvana from 10th A section.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am K. Kirtana from 10th A section.
Okay.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am M. Tulsi from 10th B section.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am B. Ravichandrika, 10th B section.
Good afternoon to all. I am G. Ganga Bhavani from 10th B section.
Good afternoon to all. I am Harshita of class 10.
Good afternoon to all. I am Vandana from 10th B section.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Priyadarshini of 10th.
Today's man has no respect for nature. He is wasting our natural resources without thinking about the consequences to be faced in future. Saving fuel is not only going to help us but also to the next generation. It is usually seen that people are wasting the fuels. Why do we conserve the fuel? Fuel conservation is essential to promote the better future. There are two types of resources. One is natural resource and another is man-made resource. In natural resources, there are two types. One is renewable and another is non-renewable resource. Renewable resources can be replenished and used repeatedly, but non-renewable resources is not like that because they takes a million of years to form again. Say, for the better future, we have to save fuels as much as we can.
How will you conserve fuels for our future generations?
We can start using electric vehicles so that we can save fuel, especially petrol or diesel to some extent.
Of course, you are right. But at the same time, you should think over its expenses. It is highly expensive, and the government is not able to arrange all electric buses. Individually, we also cannot afford them, and they are not suitable for long journeys.
Then why can't we use solar energy?
Of course, we can, but not on all times. When the weather is not suitable, we have to face so many problems. For instance, from hot water for bathing and to reaching office in time on bikes.
I think it is better to opt carpooling or public transport.
Certainly, we can. Only if we have that opportunity. But in some villages, the public transport is not available. Then the person will definitely choose own means of transport to meet his demand, to reach office in time or to drop children at school. Carpooling works out to some extent, but we don't have the company. It is highly impossible.
I think if we reduce our luxuries, we can conserve fuel.
I didn't get your point. Could you tell it in detail?
I mean, a single family possesses 4 vehicles instead of maintaining one. It increases the usage of fuel.
No, I don't agree with it. We can't say it is luxury. It's our necessity. Suppose if a family of 4 members have their destinations in 4 different directions.
I think if we reduce our luxuries,
Okay.
I think if you reduce our luxuries, we can conserve fuel.
I didn't get your point. Could you tell it in detail?
I mean, a single family possesses 4 vehicles instead of maintaining one. It increases usage of fuel.
No, I don't agree with it. We can't say it is luxury. It's our necessity. Suppose if a family of 4 members have their destinations in 4 different directions, how can they go on a single vehicle? Here, the situation demands, so everyone owns a vehicle.
If we follow the traffic rules, also we can conserve the fuel. Everyone knows that we should wait for the green signal to move. During this time, why can't we stop our engine and wait? If we do like this, we can conserve some fuel.
Yes, it's true what you said about traffic rules. But not all the vehicles are in good condition at that time. Some vehicles may have starting problems also. If one's engine is turned off, it may start or may not start. So it's trouble the person in that heavy traffic and they may not reach his destination in time.
Then don't we have the ways to conserve fuels?
Definitely, we have. When only if we are conscious at certain things.
Could you please reveal them? Then don't we have the ways to conserve fuels?
Definitely, we have. Only if we are cautious at certain things.
Could you reveal them?
Yes, if we can use electric vehicles at least for nearby places, or if we charge motor engine for according to their capacity, and in case of solar energy, we are able to store adequate energy. We can use it in times of need. It may be for domestic use or industrial or agriculture purpose. If carpooling public transport is not available, instead of opting personal motor vehicles, better to opt bicycles. It is benefitable in terms of finance and also keeps our body fit. We can also conserve energy by proper maintenance of vehicles. Then there will not be any starting troubles. One can stop the engine at near traffic signals. I would say one thing: where there is a will, there is a way. If we are strong enough to do conserve fuel for better tomorrow. We can find so many ways to do so. I hope all of you come forward to conserve fuel for better tomorrow. Save fuel, save future.